If you're an African and you have an idea, a startup, or you're building something with AI, I need you to stop scrolling right now, because Google just launched something specifically for us. Not for Silicon Valley, not for London, not for Australia, for Africa. It's called the Google Africa Applied AI Lab. And by the time this video is over, you're going to know exactly what it is, who it is for, what you get if you're selected, and how to apply step by step. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you find real opportunities, the kind that actually change your life. So let's get into it. Now, before I break this down, let me tell you why this one is different. Most opportunities you see online are recycled old news, dressed up as new. This one is fresh. Applications only opened this month, and most people haven't caught wind of it yet. That means less competition right now while you're watching this video. So stay with me to the end, because I'm also going to tell you the exact deadline and the mistake I think a lot of applicants are going to make that could get them rejected. So what exactly is this? The Google Africa Applied AI Lab is a new initiative from Google based at the Accra AI Community Center in Ghana. It's built to support African founders and researchers who want to use AI to solve real, uniquely African problems. Think about it. Every day, brilliant people across this continent are building solutions for agriculture, for healthcare, for education, for small businesses, but they don't always have access to the best tools, the best mentors, or the right investors. This lab is Google's way of closing that gap. It's what they're calling a 0 to 1 commercialization platform. Basically, it takes your idea from concept to something real, market ready, and fundable. And it does that by pairing selected founders directly with Google's own experts who work with you hands-on to build your AI product. That's not a course. That's not a webinar. That is Google engineers sitting with African founders and building alongside them. Now, this program isn't open-ended. It focuses on 5 basic areas. What Google is calling the future of these industries in Africa. Number 1, the future of work. Number 2, the future of knowledge. Number 3, the future of software development. Number 4, the future of creativity. And number 5, the future of entertainment. So if your idea touches any of this, maybe you're building an AI tool that helps people find jobs, or a platform that helps students learn, or software that helps developers build faster, or something in music, film, or content, this program was built with you in mind. Pause for a second and think about your own idea. Does it fit into one of these 5 buckets? If it does, keep watching, because this next part is where it gets exciting. Here's what selected startups actually receive. And honestly, this is the part that made me want to make this video. First, early access to Google DeepMind's most advanced AI models. We are talking Gemini, Gemma, and View before they're even released to the public. That alone is massive, because you'd be building with tools most companies don't have yet. Second, hands-on technical mentorship, not generic advice. Real support from Google research and Google teams globally, helping you build and refine your product. Third, go-to-market support, because building something is one thing. Selling it, scaling it, getting into people's hands, that's a whole different skill. Google helps with that too. And fourth, access to funding. Google has partnered with serious venture capital firms, names like 4DX Ventures, Noxken22, Novastar Ventures and Ventures Platform, plus the Google AI Future Fund itself. Selected teams may be eligible for actual investment. And here's something important. You're not giving up equity just to participate. Simply being in the program doesn't cost you ownership of your company. Though if a VC partner likes what you're building, they may approach you separately with an investment opportunity. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. D, this sounds amazing, but I'm not technical enough, or I don't have a co-founder, or my startup is too small. Hold that thought, because in the next part I'm going to break down exactly who is eligible, and it might surprise you how open this actually is. Also, if you're finding this helpful, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people across the continent who need to see it. So who can actually apply? Google is looking for two kinds of people: full-time founders already running a startup and top researchers who want to become startup founders. Now here's the reassuring part. Why they do give preference to startups that already have some funding or commercial tracking, meaning pre-seed to Series A, they've made it clear they consider all founders and researchers with a strong idea and a solid plan to build it. So if you're early stage, don't count yourself out. As for technical skill, you do not need to be a coding expert. They evaluate technical proficiency as part of your application, but it's not a strict requirement. What matters more is whether you have the vision and the ability to execute it, possibly alongside a team. Speaking of team, having a co-founder is not required either, but team composition is something they do look at. So if you can show strength there, it helps your application. And one more requirement to know: you will need to be using Google's AI models in a materially meaningful way in your product. You can still use other tools alongside it, but Google's AI needs to be a real part of what you're building. Let's talk about what the actual program looks like, because this matters for your planning. The code development period runs from mid-September to early December. During this time, your program will be customized to your startup specific needs and stage, so it's not one size fits all. It's all built towards a demo day happening in person at the Accra AI Community Center in Ghana in early December. This is where you will present what you've built in front of Googlers, top investors and partners, with real potential for funding and further support on the table. Now here is something worth noting. While the demo day is in person in Accra, you are not required to be physically present at the center throughout the entire code development period. There's flexibility built in, but that final demo day commitment, that one you need to plan for. Okay, here's that mistake I promised to tell you about. A lot of people are going to rush an application in without a clear, specific plan for how their idea creates real impact in Africa. Google isn't just looking for a good idea, they are looking for people who can show clearly how their AI product solves a real problem for real people on this continent. So before you apply, get specific. Don't just say, I'm building an AI app for education. Say what problem it solves, for who and how. That clarity is what's going to separate your application from the pile. Now let's talk dates, because timing here is everything, right? Applications opened July 1st, 2026, and they close August 31st, 2026. So depending on when you're watching this, you may have weeks. Either way, don't wait until the last minute. Selected applicants will start getting notified in September, and if you're not selected, don't worry, they'll still notify you, though they mentioned they can't give personalized feedback to everyone. The application link is in the description box below this video. Go click it, save it, and start working on your answers today, not tomorrow. Here's my honest take. Opportunities like this, where a company like Google is putting real resources, real mentorship, and real funding pathways directly into African hands, do not come around often. This isn't a scholarship. This isn't a grant application buried in bureaucracy. This is Google saying, we want to build Africa's first generation of AI native unicorn startups, and actively creating the pathway to do it. If you've been sitting on an idea, refining it in your head for months, waiting for the right moment, this might be it. Before you go, if this video helped you, do 3 things for me. 1, like this video so more African founders can find it. 2, drop a comment telling me what you're building. I genuinely want to know. And 3, subscribe, because I bring you opportunities like this every single week. Real ones, broken down clearly with no fluff. I'll see you in the next video. Go build something incredible.